So in this interactive brokers tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to remove a stock from your watch list here on Interactive Brokers. So once the app is opened up, if I were to go to the bottom here, press on watch list, you can view a bunch of different stocks in my watch list here. Now, if I wanted to remove this, the simplest way to do it is have your watch list selected. Where it says add instrument, just slide to the right to where there's the pencil icon. Go ahead and press on that. Once you're here, you can go ahead and select whatever stock you want. So for example, if you wanted to remove, I don't know, RBC and TD, for example, you can go ahead and select those, make sure that it is selected, then go to where it says delete selected. Once that is done, press on done. Now if you go back to your watch list right here, the stocks that you have now removed are no longer a part of it. So very simple, very straightforward, but that is how to remove a stock from your watch list here on Interactive Brokers. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.